Australia. First, I guess we'll start at the start. So this is our flagship product. The history of our company is we started developing a chip that does NDI encode and decode. Off the back of that development, this is our first product, which is called Studio NDI. This will do NDI encode or decode in both HDMI or SDI. The cross converter, it gives you tally, it gives you power, video and audio all down a single cable, and actually audio intercom as well, so that's built in as well. Off the back of that chip development, we started making other products, including cameras. We make a range of HD cameras ranging from about just over $1,500 right through to $6,500 for the all-weather cameras. So we have the P100, which is our flagship product, and that'll be shipping at about the end of this month. That does NDI, SDI and HDMI. When we say NDI, we're talking always about the high bandwidth iframe version of NDI. We don't do NDI HX, so it's the full version of NDI. Current flagship camera, which is called the P200. This has a Sony image module and a Sony sensor. So it's a 1/3 CMOS backlit Sony sensor. It's got 30 times optical zoom. It's got PoE, it's on sale now, and we've shipped these all over the world, and the feedback's been really great. Then we move into our all-weather cameras. So up here you can see our A200, and this is shipping at the end of this month. It's coming off the production line now. This has also got a Sony CMOS backlit sensor and a Sony image module, and it's rated for IP67. So that means you can put it in the rain and the snow. It's rated from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to about +120 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's pretty much anywhere from the Sahara Desert to the Antarctica. It's got a heater built into it, a blower, so that it won't fog up. And you can see it's got a cute little windscreen wiper on the front, and that's to blow away, to wipe off rain or snow. This is our A300. So similar rating to the A200, it's IP67. It's -40 degrees to +120. The difference with this one is it's got a nitrogen-filled housing, so there's no oxygen in there, so it cannot fog up. It's also rated to withstand a Category 4 hurricane, and as you can see, it's built like a tank. So again, this is our A300 that'll be shipping at the end of this month. How we can control them all. So this is our little PDZ keyboard. This will control up to 255 cameras. It's a NDI control, but you can also mix and match. So if you've got VSCO over IP or RS422 cameras plus NDI cameras, you can mix and match them using this keyboard. And yeah, that'll be shipping in around the middle of November. This also has an audio intercom port, so it's compatible with our audio intercom platform called Comms. Comms comes in two versions. There's a free version, which you can download for free on our website. And then there's the Pro version, which is $4.99. This is our bad boy. This is called the P4K. This has a Sony 1-inch sensor. It's 4K 30, but with a Sony 1-inch sensor, you get a really beautiful bit depth and color depth. This does full NDI, SDI, and HDMI. You can do NDI HX as well with this guy. You can also do put an SDI over fiber module in there to run SDI over fiber for long distances. The hardware is finished on this. It's just firmware we're working on now, so this will be shipping before the end of the year. This guy won a Best of Show award at IBC, so one of the best products of IBC award, which we're really proud of. Then we'll come over here to our cloud software. So basically we've been working on this cloud platform, which allows you to do remote productions, encrypted video over an SRT pipe, and over the public internet. So SRT is a way of sending video across lossy networks and still maintain a reliable connection. It's made by Haivision, and it's an open source protocol, and we love it. It's amazing. But so with cloud, we can now do a remote production from a London studio and control it from New York. We've done some testing, and we've managed to get like the latency down to about a second to a second and a half, and that was going from like Norway to Australia, so that's one side of the world to the other. So the dream of sitting on a beach with an internet connection and a laptop and doing a remote production is now a reality thanks to BirdDog Cloud. Yeah, thanks for watching.